Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Chrome is up to date and that extensions are allowed. This avoids permission errors. Next, open the Chrome Web Store, search Brisk, and click Add to Chrome so the extension installs. Once added, pin Brisk to the toolbar and sign in. Doing this makes the tool immediately accessible. Make sure to grant requested permissions because Brisk needs them to interact with pages. After that, you're ready for the first in-extension configuration steps. You now configure how Brisk behaves so it matches your workflow. Open the pop-up, navigate to Settings, and pick a default profile. This saves repeated choices. Then choose Capture options, Full Page, Selection, or Active Tab, and enable OCR when you need text extraction, because OCR turns images into searchable text. Next, connect your storage. Google Drive, Dropbox, or Local Export ensures your captures are saved where you want them. Once set, test a quick capture to confirm preferences are applied. You finish by using Brisk for a real task. Click the icon, pick Capture Mode, annotate if needed, then press Save so your work is stored. Make sure to tag captures and move them into folders for quick retrieval, or export as PDF or PNG when sharing. This keeps records tidy. If something goes wrong, restart Chrome first, check extension permissions, and clear cache. These steps resolve most capture or upload failures. If it persists, reconnect your storage and retry the capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.